We have to determine what you're trying to accomplish here. You want to reduce your utility bills, both gas and electric. So with that being said, if it's electric and air conditioning situation, we want to get the higher SEER number. Okay, anything that's at least 10 to 12 years old that has a minimum SEER number of 10. Anything older to 15, they probably were low as 8 SEER rating. So now our base model is a 16 SEER, so I can almost cut 20% off your electric bill just by that SEER difference. Okay, we want to make sure your insulation is adequate in the house. We want to make sure your airflow is adequate. They all tie in together. Okay, when we get into the heating side of it, we're going to go ASUE, which is your efficiency rating for your flue gases. We're going to be at a 96 at a minimum. Okay, we offer a multi-stage unit as well. With the multi-stages, with air conditioning and heating, you can maximize your efficiency rating to get the most for your savings. The average system pays for itself 5 to 6 years, depending on usage.